Hi there, and welcome back to another installment of Wolling Design Group's presented Vinci Unified training videos. Today we'll be talking about items. We'll be going over the basics of creating an item, applying units of measurement, customizing abbreviations, and our recommended configuration for your units of measurement. Before we continue, be sure to have checked out our previous videos that touch up on a few subjects we will walk over in our lesson today. First, we'll show you how to create an item. From the dashboard, select the drop-down menu, go to Warehouse, and select Items/SKUs. From this window, click the green cross to begin creating an item. When you create an item, a wizard tool is displayed to help you guide through your basic setup of the item. This will be different after the item is saved. The mandatory values of an item are the account, the item code, a description, and the unit of measurement. The wizard tool starts by prompting for these mandatory values. Once an item is created along with the unit of measurement, the unit of measure type cannot be changed. The dimensions and weight and abbreviation within the unit of measure can, but not the unit of measurement type. You can select your desired type from the drop-down menu. Vinci Unified offers three types of unit of measurement. Eaches, which would be a single sold item, inner packs, which would contain a full pack of single sold items, or a case, which would contain a large quantity of single sold items or a small quantity of inner packs containing single sold items. Now that the item is created and saved, the item display will now appear as this when viewing and editing. Here you can still edit dimensions and customize abbreviations if desired. Notice how the unit of measurement type cannot be changed. Edited abbreviations can only have a max of 4 characters. The first step in selecting a unit of measurement is selecting the unit of measurement type. For this example, let's select a case. Let's say it's a case of screws, and this case is going to contain an inner pack that contains 100 screws in each pack. Click the inner packs checkbox where you can then apply how many inner packs the case will contain, and how many single items, or eaches, will be in each inner pack. This is how your items will appear as you create them. Notice how there are multiple pumpkin seeds that all have different units of measurement. This is not uncommon for products that are sold in various quantities. Do be careful not to fall into the pressure of creating all your items as eaches though. We do not recommend only keeping them as single items. We recommend keeping and creating items as cases sold in large quantities that can later be broken down into smaller quantities by Vinci and sorted if needed. In this window, the displays of your unit of measurements can be changed based upon your abbreviation. Now let's talk about applying weight and dimensions. Back to creating or editing an item, next to the unit of measurement type we find the dimensions box. Here you can provide all the dimensions for your items. When applying dimensions, be sure to provide the valid values to allow Vinci to help in the shipping process with correct information. We highly recommend not leaving the weight value at 0. This can cause a lot of problems in shipping, and you'll be forced to go back and fix the weight later, which can become a big hassle. This isn't mandatory, but is highly recommended. Next, we'll talk about palletizing. Tie describes how many items in each layer of a pallet, and high is the value of layers on the pallet. Alright, and one last thing. Items can be created from importing, EDI, and channel integration. This was covered in our importing video, and will be covered some more in an additional future videos. That's it for today's lesson in items. Be sure to check back with us for more videos on how to use Vinci Unified. And if you have further questions, or would like to set up a training session, feel free to contact our support. Or check out our detailed documentation online. Thanks for watching.